Hey guys, Gary and Scott with the Northern Road Kings. If you ride as much as we do, eventually you're going to have to do some maintenance. So today we're going to do some maintenance on Scott's bike here. So Scott, what do you ride here?
I ride a 2022 Indian Chief Dark Horse. It's a 116 Thunderstroke engine.
All right, so if you're familiar with our channel, you're familiar with this bike. There's lots of footage and videos of it. You can check that out. But today we're going to give you a step-by-step instruction on how to do the oil on this one. So stay tuned. Start the bike and allow to warm up at idle for 5 minutes, then stop the engine. Clean the area around the oil dipstick. Remove the dipstick and set aside. Find the 2 drain plug screws at the bottom of the engine. Place a drain pan underneath the engine crankcase. You can put a piece of paper towel in there to prevent splashing. Use a 6mm Allen socket wrench to remove the first drain plug screw. Empty the pan into a larger container and repeat for the second screw. Remove the oil filter using a 2.5-inch or 64mm oil filter wrench. Lubricate the new O-ring on the new filter with fresh oil. Clean the filter sealing surface on the engine. Install the new oil filter by hand, then another 3/4 of a turn with the filter wrench. Wipe any residual oil from around the filter. Install the new sealing washers on the drain plugs. Reinstall the drain plugs. Wipe up any residual oil on the bike. Begin by adding 4.5 quarts or 4.25 liters of the recommended oil. For this model, we're using semi-synthetic 20W40. Reinstall the dipstick securely. Start the bike and let idle for 30 seconds, then stop the bike and inspect for leaks. Remove the dipstick again and add an additional 1 to 1.5 quarts of oil, or 0.95 to 1.42 liters. Reinstall the dipstick fully. Start the engine again and allow it to idle for 30 seconds to begin the final oil level check. Stop the engine. Do the final oil level check to ensure the oil is in the safe operating range. On the touchscreen, navigate to the settings menu. Choose Vehicle Settings, Oil Life, Service, Reset, and confirm your selection. Dispose of your oil and filter at a recycling facility and enjoy till your next change. Cheers. All right guys, that was our video. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you learned how to change the oil on a 2022 Indian Chief Dark Horse today. Save yourself some money from having to go to the dealership the next time. I will put the Amazon links for the oil and filter kit in the video description below, so you can check that out, purchase it from those links to help support our channel. Please hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, share the video with your friends, and we'll see you on the next one. Cheers.
See ya.
Good?
Yep.